The government assures you, Your Excellency, and the people of the Democratic Republic of Congo, as well as the entire East African region and Africa at large, of Kenya's unwavering support and of our determination to stay this course together until the job is done.
This situation has negatively impacted our region, including the issue of hundreds of thousands of Congolese refugees who are unable to safely return to their homes, as well as impeding trade and investment with negative implications to the whole region.
So, Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the efforts that we have deployed in the framework of the Nairobi process have indeed yielded positive results. And as we meet here today, I would like to indicate that there are a number of armed groups that undertook to cease hostilities in advance of Nairobi 1, and which have kept their part of the bargain to date. And I would like to commend these groups for vesting their faith on the process that we are undertaking. And on our part, we commit to do everything possible to ensure the success of this initiative.